I actually do care about what people think. Mingling with people. Done with my Bible study, devotional, prayer time for today. Always such a good time. This devotional right here, so good. Like every single day, every single message always hits so hard. And I post this on my Instagram stories every single morning, and I always have like a couple of people respond back, like, we just like go do a back and forth in my DMs about the message of the day, and it's always so good. If you're interested in that, follow me on Instagram and check out my stories every single morning. Anyway, we have an event today. I'm attending an event on church photography and excellence in church photography and media, something along those lines. We're gonna go for the event, so y'all will see. I am on my church's media team. I lead that team, so I got tickets for myself and my team to go. So yeah, super excited for that. Excited, but also like a bit because it's a full day event, and I just don't know that I have the social capacity to be at an event for a full day. But yeah, we'll see, because the weather is really nice. That's why I'm outside, and can't wait to like set up my patio. Hopefully like we can do that this coming week. But yeah, I want to do a couple of things before I head out. I want to bake, and I also want to fertilize my hydrangeas. I have hydrangeas that are like down there, and I typically will cut them right before winter starts, before it starts snowing, so that come spring, they start growing, and then June they start blooming, and in July they're like in their thriving era. So yeah, I want to fertilize them because I believe it is gonna rain at some point today and for the next couple of days. But yeah. For the event I'm attending, I'm thinking between these I don't know, they call them boyfriend jeans or mom jeans. It's just like these really oversized, like really oversized jeans, or these faux leather pants. These like a skinny fit. Or these, I'm leaning more towards jeans just so that I am more comfortable. I'm going for like a chilled, comfortable, but also like elevated look. And then I am thinking one of these two blazers. So, let me put this. So either this tweed one, they're both like oversized blazers as well. So either this one or this one. Um, Both of them would work with either outfit. I don't know if this would go with the purple pants though, but it would definitely work with the jeans, and I'll probably just wear like maybe one of my husband's white t-shirts or something. Or yeah. Or actually this could go. But then I'm gonna be matching with my hair because my hair is also purple, so I don't know how I feel about that. I went up to figure out what I'm gonna wear and completely forgot about these, so they kind of got burnt. I'm finally on the way. Highway looks clear so far. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it stays that way because there's some parts of the highway that sometimes there'll be traffic. So just praying that there's no traffic. The event actually started at 9. It's 9:27. But they started off with like breakfast and then icebreakers and whatsoever. The first session is for 10, I believe. So that's what I'm hoping to like get there in time of. So if I can get there before 10, then I'm good. So yeah, I'm gonna drive and we'll catch up when I get there. Oh, I need a parking spot. I need a parking spot. Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Toronto men are so cute. They're so sweet. Like every time I go somewhere and I'm vlogging, I'm filming, there's always like a bunch of guys that are gonna hype me up and be like, you go girl, do your thing, whatsoever. And yeah, it's always so cute. Anyway, I am here because I did not come on time. The parking slots at the actual venue of the event are full, so I had to park like across the street, and now I'm just like walking across back to the building.
So I want to show us today that you don't need to wait till you have large budgets before you create excellence in your team, right? And I'm able to talk to this, and I want to speak about this boldly because social media with photos, with storytelling, we get to reach people in their homes. We get to reach people, should I say this part? In their bathrooms. We get to reach people everywhere. And the important thing to notice, every time there was a new way for mass communication to be made, the gospel of Jesus moved up a notch. When we had
you see me where I am, you won't forget about me. You hold my hand, you say that my identity is in you. I don't feel worth it 'cause I'm not, but you still stay.
Whether it is technical or anything. However, today I'm a little bit biased as a photographer. I'm sorry.
Right. Awesome. So what do you hear from the room?
And then more always consistent.
Okay, so finally leaving. I could not wait till like the very end of the event because it's already getting late. Like it's 5 o'clock. It's just after 5, and I don't want to get home too late. Am I turning left? But I came this way. Why am I going that way? Okay. Let's follow the route it is giving me. Yeah, basically I was saying it's getting late. It's after 5 and
turn right on Weston Road.
if I stay till like the very end, I'm gonna get home very late, and I don't want that because tomorrow's church and I'm also just like tired. Like I forget how exhausting events are. Like just speaking to people, all of that, it's really exhausting. But this was a very, very good, well thought out event.
Turn right on Weston
Shout out
Road.
to Lucky, who is the convener for this. It was something that I personally needed. I feel like lately I've just been feeling just a bit meh about my service in the house of God. And
400 meters.
like one of the sessions actually made me reflect on that. So yeah, this was really good for me. I need to just like go back to the drawing board and fix a couple of things.
You see me where I am. You won't
400
forget
meters.
about
Turn
me.
right on Signet Drive.
You hold
Okay.
my head. You say that my identity
Why are you
isn't
driving so slow? All right, I'm gonna drive and I will talk to y'all when I get home. I'm gonna make dinner. I'm gonna do something super simple and easy: mashed potatoes with salmon and some Brussels sprouts. Just gonna wear my apron so I don't make my robe dirty. I couldn't figure out what to wear, so I was like, you know what? Let me just wear my robe and be comfy. So cook with me. I'm about to have a much needed self-care session. Today was a lot, just like mingling with people. Even the drive, that was a very long drive to and from. So yeah, I just need to like pour into myself, do something relaxing. So I have a cup of tea. I also brought my book for the month. This This is what I'm reading in April. So yeah, I'm gonna take a nice relaxing bath. I've really been enjoying this book. One thing about me, like I've always thought that I am not a people pleaser. I have a mind of my own. I do my own things. But there's something that happened maybe like a month ago now that like was an eye opener and made me realize, oh wait, I actually do care about what people think. So yeah, this has been a really good book. It just talks about how also for the parts I've read, it just introduces the idea that this is my reminder to like start winding down and get ready for bed. So yeah, I'm on track. So yeah, it introduces the idea that, you know, when people react to you in a certain way, that's a reflection on them and not necessarily you. I feel like I have so many ideas that I have not executed. And that's like the thing that happened. It was like Kay that made me realize that why do you care so much about what people think? Because I have so many ideas that I've not executed because I'm like, just like fear of being judged and all of that. But I'm working through it. Anyway, let me actually get my self-care night started. I want to steam my face and then, yeah, I will put on a mask and get into the bath. So if you've watched till this point, thank you so much. God bless you. Please leave a comment. It really helps. It supports my channel. It encourages me and empowers me to create more content. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.